Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to manage your subcontracts. Subcontracts have lots of moving parts, including terms, conditions, scope of work, etc. Contracts are a necessity in today's workplace. Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to create subcontracts. Do it right from our procurement tab or from the bid manager once you've awarded a bid. Merge in contract details using the document writer and up your game even more. Import existing items from the estimate or cost items database. Bring over your subcontract items from your estimate in a few easy clicks. Do away with copy and paste and redundant typing once and for all. Create bills right from the subcontract screen. No more multiple screens or extra wasteful typing. One single click creates the bill for your subcontracts. Generate a single bill or create multiple partial bills as work is completed. Accounting is going to get easier. We make subcontractor retainage clear and simple. For example, just type 10% once and let Contractor Foreman do the math for you. No more overpayments and adjustments down the road. Enjoy the convenience of nice, clean subcontract reporting and accounting. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to manage your subcontracts.